Hello everyone.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm happy to represent Poblacion Baybay.
Right, so you may now pick your word. Male candidate number 5 picked depression. Again, depression.
Thank you, and good evening everyone. In Kimbang, many young people struggle with depression, but don't they get always help the need because of stigma and lack of awareness. To support this, the local government and school should promote mental health programs and create safe spaces where students can talk openly and get support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, male candidate number 5.
Good evening, female candidate number 5 from Poblacion Baybay. So here with us on stage is Just the Queen 2023, Lida Yumalawiko from Poblacion Baybay also, and contestant number 5 from Poblacion Baybay. Are you ready to bring home the crown back to Poblacion Baybay?
I'm pretty much excited to bring home the crown.
Confidence is the key. Okay, so kindly pick an envelope, candidate number 5. Candidate number 5 have picked the word cyberbullying. Again, cyberbullying.
Thank you. Good evening. In Gibao, students are harmed by cyberbullying, which makes them feel isolated and afraid. To solve this, students, parents, and teachers should be taught responsible social media use